Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. My wife is a potter and at the moment some of her work is on display in a big exhibition down at County Hall on the South Bank in London. And this week she got an invite to a big dinner for all of the potters whose work is being exhibited, whose work's on display in this exhibition. Now, my wife isn't massively keen on these kind of big socialising, networking kinds of events. And all week she's been umming and ahhing about whether or not she should go. This morning I said to her, listen, just go, okay? You might make some nice new contacts. You might meet some useful people, make some useful contacts. Go along, make nice, see how you get on. If you make nice, you behave in a friendly, polite way, even if you don't really feel like you want to. So maybe, for example, in your family, your brother doesn't get on with one of his cousins, but ahead of the big family gathering for Christmas, you say to him, listen, I know you don't really care much for your cousin, but this is the one time a year when all of the family gets together, so please just try and make nice and get along. Maybe there's someone at work who you generally avoid like the plague, or who you'd like to avoid like the plague. Basically, maybe you can't stand this person, but because you have to work together, you're forced to make nice. And maybe you might believe, as I think I do most of the time, that as human beings, we're hardwired to make nice rather than to make other people feel uncomfortable. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use make nice.